Console Nyandashimye is a talented young lady with 18 years old from a poor family. She is from Western Province, Karongi district in Rwanda. She is strong, talented, and so much intelligent as she studies in secondary school. Console is an upcoming artist. She can sing and play guitar herself. She was found during Nyampinga road shows after singing and playing guitar, addressing a big audience. Console was found talented. Since then, Nyampinga staff decided to keep her, so to inspire Rwandan girls of her age. Influenced by the talent, media in Rwanda started to write and talk about Console. During Teen Spirit photoshoots of July 2012, Console was singing with other girls, where she met Melody McDaniel. To be found on such stage and having a guitar is a long tragic story. When she was 9 years old, Console used to sing in a choir near home. Later, she started playing guitar from her neighbor, who asked her later never to come again unless she buys her own guitar. She started to pressure her parents to buy a guitar. Asking for this worth music tour, Console knew very well how much poor his family is. The parents decided to sell one of 2 cows to buy a guitar in order to satisfy their daughter.
Yari inka nziza y'ibihogo. Ubwo noneho ndayigurisha nguramo gitari umwana wanjye. Noneho ubwo asagutse nane yamutangiyeho Minervari ngenda nongeranya.
Gitari wariguze angahe?
Gitari nayiguze 80,000.
Being told this, Mark Melody, pleased by her story. She took Console to the shop and she bought for her a beautiful guitar. Then she promised her a help to give back the car to her family. The day to buy this car for the family was a surprise. Mark Melody was not around. She sent Mr. Jadot and Miss Pacific to buy the car to the family. Then Console gave back the car to the family. The family was full of joy. They started singing.
Muziki mutishimye.
Console also was too much pleased by Melody, who helped her to possess her own guitar, also for the help to return a cow to her parents. She thanks.
Thank you so much, Melody, for this beautiful car. I'm so happy for giving it back to my family. This raises up again my value as a girl to my family and my country. I thank you again for the nice guitar you gave me. I was seeing such kind of guitar in church. I have never dreamed about having it like my own. I thank also Nyampinga for everything you did for me and what you are doing for me day by day. May God bless you all.